Hello everyone, I am Prerna and this is a must-watch video for every chocolate lover out there because we are making chocolate truffles and that too only with 3 ingredients. So watch till the end to see how I make this chocolate beauties.
Add 200 grams of dark chocolate. You can also use white or milk chocolate here of your choice. And then add 100 grams of fresh cream over it. Microwave it for 30 seconds to melt the chocolate. Give it a stir using a spatula. Make sure you stir well. There should be no lumps, and if there are lumps then microwave it for more 10 to 20 seconds. The mixture should be smooth and glossy. This is basically chocolate ganache. Then add half a teaspoon of coffee powder. It will intensify the chocolate ganache. Then cover it with a cling film and refrigerate it for 1 hour until set completely. Remove it out of the refrigerator and then using a small spoon scoop out the chilled ganache. Take it between your palms and start rolling slowly into a small ball. Don't worry, this process will be messy because the heat of our hands will melt the outer surface of the truffles a bit. Then roll it in desiccated coconut or your favorite colorful sprinkles. You can also roll them in crushed nuts like almonds, cashew nuts. And the classic way is to roll them in cocoa powder.
Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, bye bye.